Hello, on this video we're going to look at another TruView Cube application, cell phone scanning. So one of the benefits of x-raying cell phones is that we're able to see counterfeit parts, defects, either from usage or from remanufacturing process. So we have a cell phone on one of our cubes right now, and if I turn on and we can get a live image, we can see some of the components inside. We can see a camera, we can see batteries, another big one. Sometimes they're not connected, sometimes they're solder. And you can go around the cell phone and find out if your phone has been properly assembled. So, X-raying cell phones is important, as some of the cell phones we're actually buying right now have been remanufactured. Sometimes there is missing screws, sometimes there's batteries that haven't been properly tested. And the whole remanufacturing process has to be verified using x-rays. So if you guys have any more questions, feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 670-752-1192 or at creativeelectron.com. Thank you.